こんにちは、it's Nami from Just One Cookbook, back with another video for you. And today I'm going to share how to make soy sauce caramel ice cream. When my family visited Kikkoman factory in Japan, we tried their soy sauce flavored soft serve. It was unique and delicious with the hint of umami from the soy sauce. For this collaboration with Kikkoman, I used their gluten-free soy sauce to make the caramel sauce and add it to the homemade vanilla ice cream. How did it turn out? My kids absolutely love this ice cream and requested for me to make more. Luckily, it's very easy to make at home. Now let me show you how to put it together. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you love Japanese food, please follow along on Instagram and Facebook at Just One Cookbook. And since you guys are all watching till the end of this video, here's the Japanese word of the day. Shoyu. It means soy sauce in Japanese. To pour soy sauce onto something, we say 醤油をかける. How do we say other common seasonings in Japanese? Salt is called 塩. Pepper is 胡椒. Sugar is 砂糖. 醤油. Have fun using it. Subscribe if you haven't already and make sure to click the bell icon. See you next time with a brand new video here on my YouTube channel. またね!